Today, we're diving into the world of the most fashionable men. This curated selection highlights some incredibly stylish individuals who have left their mark on the fashion scene. With their diverse aesthetics and unique takes on personal style, they inspire countless fans and set trends that echo around the globe. So without further ado, let's kick things off. Let's talk about David Beckham, who snagged an impressive 24,805 votes. Known not just for his incredible football skills, Beckham is a true fashion icon. His unique flair for blending classic and modern styles has captivated fashion lovers everywhere. Over the years, he's launched several clothing lines and teamed up with big names like H&M and Adidas, showcasing his versatility and creativity. What's truly remarkable is Beckham's role as the editor's choice. He's a game changer in redefining masculinity through fashion. He hasn't just stuck to a signature look, he's embraced various collaborations that reflect his strong personal style. This fusion of sport and style has not only made waves in the fashion industry, but also created a lasting legacy. Coming in at number 2, we have Harry Styles with an impressive 18,776 votes. Harry is not just a musical sensation, he's a fashion icon who isn't afraid to push boundaries. With his daring and eclectic wardrobe, he challenges traditional gender norms, making bold fashion statements that resonate with fans everywhere. His charisma and creativity have catapulted him to the forefront of modern fashion. Inspiring countless young people to express themselves freely. What's really cool is how Harry often blends vintage pieces into his looks, creating a unique mix of past and present styles that feels fresh and exciting. So here's to Harry Styles, the trendsetter who continues to inspire. At number 3, we have the incredibly talented Timothée Chalamet, who garnered an impressive 16,858 votes. Timothée isn't just a rising star in Hollywood, he's also become a fashion icon in his own right. With his bold style choices and youthful charisma, he's redefining what it means to be fashionable in today's world. You'll often catch him rocking high fashion designs. Showcasing a fresh wave of masculinity that celebrates artistic expression through clothing. He has a particular fondness for standout brands like Haider Ackermann and Prada, making him a true trendsetter on and off the screen. So keep an eye on the style maven. He's just getting started. Coming in at number 4, we have the incredibly talented Idris Elba, who garnered an impressive 10,394 votes. Idris isn't just a powerhouse in the film industry, he's also made waves in the fashion world. With his signature sharp, tailored looks, he perfectly blends sophistication with a laid-back vibe, earning him the title of a true fashion icon. And let's not forget, in 2018, he was crowned People's Sexiest Man Alive, solidifying his status as one of Hollywood's most captivating stars. So here's to Idris Elba, a remarkable actor and style trendsetter. Coming in at number 5 is A$AP Rocky with an impressive 10,379 votes. This American rapper isn't just known for his music, he's also a major fashion influencer. A$AP Rocky has a unique talent for blending high fashion with street culture, which has solidified his status as a key player in the fashion scene. Did you know he was the first rapper to team up with the iconic luxury fashion house, Dior? His daring style and innovative collaborations truly set him apart. So, when you think of fashion-forward artists, A$AP Rocky is definitely a name that pops up. Coming in at number 6, we have the one and only Kanye West with an impressive 9,647 votes. Kanye isn't just a rapper, he's also a groundbreaking producer and a fashion designer who's made waves in both streetwear and high fashion. His Yeezy brand has redefined contemporary men's fashion, showcasing minimalist designs and striking aesthetics that really stand out. And let's talk about the Yeezy sneaker line. It's not just footwear, it's a cultural phenomenon. These sneakers often fly off the shelves, selling out in mere minutes after their release. So, when we say fashion designer, we mean a true innovator, Kanye West. Coming in at number 7, we have the one and only Lil Nas X, who racked up an impressive 9,390 votes. Lil Nas X has truly burst onto the scene with his vibrant style and fearless fashion choices. He's not just making music, he's rewriting the rules of fashion, often challenging traditional gender norms with his bold outfits. Think bright colors, dazzling sequins, and avant-garde designs. His looks are nothing short of eye-catching. And let's not forget his groundbreaking hit, Old Town Road, which shattered records as the longest-running #1 song on the Billboard Hot 100. So, here's to Lil Nas X, a true trailblazer in both music and fashion. Coming in at number 8, we have Zayn Malik with an impressive 9,388 votes. Zayn is not just a music sensation, he's also a trendsetter in the fashion world. His distinctive style effortlessly combines streetwear with high fashion, making waves across the globe. With his eye-catching tattoos and those signature hairstyles, it's no wonder he inspires fashion lovers everywhere. And here's a fun fact. Zayn made history as the first British male artist to debut at #1 on the Billboard 200. Talk about breaking boundaries. So, there you have it. Zayn Malik, a true icon in both music and style. Coming in at number 9, we have the one and only Russell Westbrook, who racked up an impressive 8,997 votes. Now, Russell isn't just your typical NBA superstar. He's also a major fashion icon. Known for his vibrant and eclectic style, he uses fashion as a powerful form of self-expression. You'll often catch him blending streetwear with high fashion pieces in a way that only he can pull off. And that's not all. Westbrook has also launched his very own clothing line called Honor the Gift, showcasing his unique flair and creativity. So whether he's on the court or making a fashion statement, Russell Westbrook is always turning heads. Coming in at number 10, we have the talented Chris Hemsworth, who garnered an impressive 8,248 votes. Now, let's talk about his fashion game. Chris has a unique way of blending rugged masculinity with sophisticated style. Whether he's rocking a perfectly tailored suit or casual yet polished outfits, he truly represents a modern twist on classic menswear. Of course, we can't forget his iconic role as Thor in the Marvel Cinematic Universe, which has made him a household name. So here's to Chris Hemsworth, a true style icon. At number 11, we have Jaden Smith, who garnered an impressive 8,055 votes. Jaden is truly a trendsetter. known for his unique and often gender-fluid fashion that perfectly captures his individuality and creative spirit. His style leans into a futuristic vibe, pushing the limits of traditional fashion norms. But that's not all. He also launched his own clothing line, MSFTST Rep, which is all about inclusivity and self-expression. Not just a fashion icon, Jaden is also an accomplished actor and musician, making waves in multiple creative fields. At number 12, we have the incredibly talented Pharrell Williams, racking up an impressive 7,884 votes. Pharrell isn't just a musician, he's a true fashion icon. Known for his unique and eclectic style, he's made significant contributions to the world of streetwear. His collaborations with various brands have really solidified his status as a major player in the fashion scene. One of his standout achievements? His partnership with Adidas, which gave us the iconic Hue NMD sneaker line, one of the best-selling lines out there. So hats off to Pharrell Williams for not only rocking the music world, but also leaving a remarkable mark on fashion. At number 13, we have the legendary Lenny Kravitz, who snagged an impressive 7,507 votes. Lenny is celebrated for his unmistakable rock and roll style, seamlessly blending vintage pieces with a bohemian flair. His effortlessly cool yet refined looks have inspired countless fans and fashion enthusiasts alike, securing his spot in the fashion scene. Not only is he a talented musician and actor, but he's also graced the campaigns of iconic brands like Saint Laurent. Lenny Kravitz truly embodies the spirit of style and creativity. And coming in at number 14, we have the one and only Jidenna with an impressive 7,454 votes. Now, if you know Jidenna, you know he's not just a talented musician, but also a true style icon. With his dapper suits and vintage-inspired accessories, he perfectly embodies an Afro-futuristic aesthetic, blending classic flair with modern vibes. And let's not forget his breakout hit, Classic Man, which really put him on the map and earned him major acclaim. So, here's to Jidenna, where style meets sensational music. Coming in at number 15, we have Shawn Mendes, who racked up an impressive 7,318 votes. Shawn is not just known for his incredible music, he's also made a name for himself in the fashion world. His wardrobe perfectly balances casual and smart casual styles, creating a look that's both relatable and aspirational for his fans. Plus, he often teams up with big-name brands like Calvin Klein, showcasing his trendy side. So, whether he's on stage or stepping out, Shawn's fashion choices always catch the eye. At number 16, we have the multi-talented Jared Leto, racking up an impressive 7,284 votes. Known for his daring fashion choices, Jared truly stands out on the red carpet with a unique and androgynous style. He's not afraid to take risks and often collaborates with top fashion brands to push the envelope. But that's not all. In 2014, he snagged the Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor, showcasing his remarkable talent as both an actor and a musician. Jared Leto is definitely a force to be reckoned with in the entertainment world. Coming in at number 17, we have G-Dragon, who racked up an impressive 7,081 votes. As a standout member of the iconic Korean boy band Big Bang, G-Dragon has made waves not just with his music, but also with his cutting-edge fashion. He's become a true trendsetter in the K-pop scene, effortlessly merging streetwear with high-end luxury and artistic flair. And it doesn't stop there. He's the mastermind behind the fashion brand Peace Minus One, showcasing his unique style to the world. So, whether he's on stage or strutting down the street, G-Dragon always knows how to make a statement. Coming in at number 18 is Armie Hammer, who garnered an impressive 6,649 votes. Now, let's talk style. Armie has that refined flair that perfectly blends classic Hollywood elegance with today's hottest trends. His outfits often showcase a tailored sophistication that captures the attention of fashion lovers everywhere. And it's no surprise that he's been featured in a variety of luxury fashion campaigns, further cementing his status as a style icon. So, whether he's on the red carpet or in front of the camera, Armie Hammer knows how to make a statement. Coming in at number 19, we have the incredible David Gandy, who snagged a remarkable 6,305 votes. David Gandy isn't just any model. He's a true British style icon, celebrated for his classic and sophisticated approach to fashion. With a resume that boasts collaborations with top-tier brands, he consistently champions timeless menswear and grooming. In fact, back in 2010, British Vogue recognized his impact by naming him the top male model. Since then, he's become a symbol of men's fashion, known for his impeccable style and elegance. So here's to David Gandy, a name that continues to resonate in the world of men's fashion. At number 20, we have the one and only Nick Wooster, who snagged 5,829 votes. Mick is not just any fashion consultant. He's a true style guru, celebrated for his sharp looks and that signature grey hair that sets him apart. He perfectly captures the essence of modern men's fashion, effortlessly blending classic tailoring with contemporary twists. And let's not forget, he's become a street-style icon, turning heads during fashion weeks around the globe. Nick Wooster truly knows how to make a statement. Let's talk about Ezra Miller, who snagged an impressive 5,608 votes. Ezra is not just an actor, they're a trendsetter, known for their daring fashion choices that beautifully defy gender norms. Their unique style blends high fashion with streetwear, making them a standout figure in the industry. When it comes to the red carpet, Ezra never disappoints, often stepping out in jaw-dropping outfits that are custom designed by some of the most renowned designers. It's no wonder they're one of the most talked about personalities in fashion today. And coming in at number 22, we have Omarion with an impressive 5,007 votes. Omarion isn't just a powerhouse in the music scene, he's also a fashion icon. His unique style blends streetwear with luxury and pop culture, creating looks that truly make a statement. You can't help but notice his confidence and flair, which really set him apart in the entertainment industry. Plus, he often collaborates with emerging designers, giving them a platform to shine. And that wraps up our ranking. We'd love to hear your thoughts. What's your top 10? Drop your favorites on the comments below. And remember to like and subscribe for more insightful content.